Welcome fam back to Gracefully EUT's channel. You want to know how I prepared this delicacy? Then stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, do so as we go in the kitchen and give the recipe of this delicacy. Without wasting much of your time, let's get it started. So as you already know by the title of this video, we're gonna be making cabbage sauce. So my ingredients here are mushroom, Scotch bonnet pepper, cubes, seasoning cubes, butter, rosemary. In here I have salt, I have dried ginger, I have dried garlic too, so I just have to mix that together. I will be using that in seasoning my chicken before boiling. So my vegetables here are carrots, onion, tomatoes, we have the spring onion, and of course the cabbage. And then I have bell pepper, the red, the green, and the yellow. You can choose to use any one you like, but because I want it colorful, so that's why I'm using the 3 colors. So here I have my chicken wings. I like using my chicken wings when preparing this cabbage sauce. So I will be going off camera now to slice all these ingredients. I want to say a mega shout out to someone special that's been supporting my channel. It's no other person than Best David Show. Please go check out his channel, and to every other members that are supporting this channel in one way or the others, I say God bless you. I appreciate you. I really appreciate you. To all my members, mega shout out to you. May God replenish your source of income that you're using to support this channel. And if you haven't joined my membership, please click on the join button appearing on the screen so that you can be a part of my membership to help me promote and help my channel grow. So I already put my chicken wings in the pot, and then along with my dried ginger and dried garlic. Now I'm adding my onion. I already added my seasoning cube, so I'll just go ahead and mix that thoroughly together. I won't be adding any water, so I will just leave it to boil out its own water and cook on its own. So I want to say a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers, and if it's your first time coming across my video and you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. If not you, who would have been watching my videos? These videos are made for you. So if you are not coming back to watch this video, then why am I still here? You are the reason I'm still here today, and I say thank you. So all the vegetables have been sliced and diced. As you can see, the minced paprika is over there. I wasn't getting a good view of that. So I have this strainer or steamer, I don't know what to call it. It came with my pressure pot, which I use in boiling my meat. So I would just I added a little water into my cooking pot, just a little water, like half cup, and lay this steamer on it, and then I will go I'm adding my cabbage, and I will cover it to let it cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. So this process helps retains all the nourishment and benefits of the vegetable or the cabbage. So you boiling your cabbage, you are boiling away all the benefits of it. So this is the best way. This process I use for the cabbage only makes the cabbage soft and makes it retain its nutrients. Okay, so my chicken wings are well cooked now. So I'll be sieving that and putting the water in another pot. That water will be used for boiling my potato. Yes, because I'm going to be eating this cabbage sauce with potato. I mean, this sauce you can use rice, you can use pounded yam, you can use puree, you can use anything you just think of. It goes with everything seriously, but this time I'm taking it with potato, Irish potato. So I'm done, and as you can see, that is my so I'll be adding my potatoes into the bouillon water that I got, and then just covering it. I'm not adding any salt, I'm not adding anything. Then I will just cover it to cook. So this time my cabbage is ready, soft enough, retaining its nutrients. So I'm just going to put this aside, and using my stir fry pan, I'll be adding my butter. In my home, we don't fry meat or anything, okay, because it breaks the iron. When you fry too much of what you take in or too much of your food, it breaks down the iron in your body, it breaks down a lot of nutrients in your body. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let the chicken marinate the butter. I just want the butter to be marinated into the chicken. That's why I'm doing this. Not that I'm frying my chicken. No, I don't fry. And if you are above the age of 40 and you still keep frying your meat, it's not advisable for your health. It is not good for your health. So a few minutes and I'm taking it out, and I'll be adding the rest into the pan. I like the smell of butter each time I use it in my food. I mean, the aroma it gives is just something else. So I'll just give it a stir, and then I'll take it out of the pan and also add my sliced mushrooms. To everyone asking me how I decorated my cake with the royal icing recipe that I uploaded the last time in my previous video, the decoration of the cake will be coming up as soon as possible. Something went wrong with that video, so I couldn't bring it up, but trust me, it's Christmas, so we're baking and I will be decorating, so I will bring you that recipe as soon as possible. So I just want my mushroom to heat up a little bit, just for 2 minutes, and then it's okay. As you can see, I'm not adding any oil to my pan. As you can see, this pan stir fries everything, okay, it doesn't burn your food or anything. So now I added a little butter to my pan because now the main preparation is coming up. So I went in with my diced onions. And just keep stirring for like a minute. And then with my tomatoes and my Scotch bonnet pepper. My seasoning cube. So I'll just cover that a little bit for the Scotch bonnet pepper to reduce its spice. So I'll just be covering that for like 5 minutes and give it a stir. Then I'm going into my carrot. I use this different method for slicing my carrots. As you can see, I use the peeled system and grating system. So I just give that a stir. I'm not gonna be letting these vegetables cook because I don't want water and in this my sauce, and I want it crunchy too. So I went in with my sliced bell pepper, did you see how colorful that looks? The color is wow. The camera wasn't doing justice though. So I'll just leave this to heat up for like 2 minutes. And then I'm adding my spring onion. Look at that color. The color is so beautiful, it's amazing. So I'll just give that a proper stir for everything to mix in well. And now I'm adding my cabbage, my steamed cabbage. Don't forget the cabbage is already cooked. Yeah, it was steamed, so it's cooked already. You still want the nutrients to remain, and you don't want your sauce to be watery. So now I'm adding my chicken wings and my mushrooms. My mushroom and my chicken wings. The reason why I like preparing this dish with chicken wings is because, most especially because of my kids. They love chicken wings, and for myself, it's just like you taking a spoon of this sauce into your plate and you find like 3 or more chicken wings along, instead of you selecting or trying to find what you want as a meat or whatever in your dish. So you just take one spoon and then you know that yes, something is coming out from the pot with it. This is it. Simple and easy. And another reason why I like to steam my cabbage first, it's because of the smell. I don't really like the smell of the cabbage, but after being steamed, it's perfect. It's like that smell has been drained out of it with the help of the vapor. So I'll just let that sit on the cooker for like 3 minutes and then put it off. It's ready. Our potato is also ready and I serve. Please don't mind the way I serve this. As you know, my channel is not a professional channel. It's a home recipe. Every recipes I bring here are home. Okay, so this is it. Food is ready. Did you see the chicken? Did you see the color? Wow. So this is the end of the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And until next video, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. And until next video, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.